how to make your TikTok account public. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. You can edit and view your profile information from here. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, go to Privacy. Here, turn off the private account option. Tap on Switch to switch to a public account. Once you switch to a public account, anyone will be able to follow you and view your public posts. Anyone can stitch and do it with your videos, as well as download them. Following these steps, you can easily make your TikTok account public.